Okay, let's go.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 tricycles. Yeah. After this, where are we going to go?
That I want something to be a man. You're so silly.
Tapos, saan tayo magpunta? Anong bilhin natin tapos haircut?
That was the boss.
Sa boss? Ako din.
Oh,
Mahal dun sa boss.
but you go for the boss.
Ikaw, sa boss ka, kimiyaman ka man. You have money?
I don't have money.
No.
No more money.
Okay. Ito sa boss. But ako, always here. I always have my haircut in this barber shop.
Barber shop?
Mm.
You wait your turn to get a haircut. Here you want to change. This is so funny.
So my haircut is letter. What letter?
A and D. And D.
How about letter F?
How about letter A?
Letter A? That would be okay.
That's what to change the alphabet.
So who's going to have a haircut?
I don't know what's a haircut.
Lolo will have a haircut? Lolo.
But you choose want to buy your haircut.
Oh. I will have my haircut. You want to have a haircut?
But I'm too scared.
So you will watch Lolo.
You first
You,
you change that one you change that day.
you watch Lolo. What kind of haircut do you want for Lolo? You choose there, you choose. You choose. See, you go there, You choose. What haircut do you want? What letter?
Dad, that was what the thing you want to change.
Oh. What letter? What letter?
To change that one. I like that one.
What?
That one.
What letter?
I first
What letter?
that with the face on it.
What letter?
You're so silly.
Oh, what letter? What letter? What's the letter? Letter?
H
What letter is this?
F
D.
D. What comes next?
C.
E. And what comes next?
I don't know.
It's E. G.
G.
I'm pointed. It's too
Sige na, upo
hard.
na, upo na. Upo ka na.
Hirapan na lang ng mga bata, mga parents ba?
You wait your turn.
Okay.
That's fair.
Okay.
But you first you change like that. You're so silly.
Australia?
Silly.
Sa lang na tanaw-tanaw ang degree